Hello students. In this video, let's dive into the fascinating probability, a tool we use to measure the chances of an event happening. In probability, we're essentially looking at the ratio of favorable outcomes to the total possible outcomes. When we have a sample space, S, and an event, E, the probability of E is simply denoted by P, E. Here are a few essential points to remember. The sum of all probabilities in an experiment equals 1. This means that P, E, plus PE dash equals 1. Probability is always between 0 and 1. If something is impossible, like rolling a 7 on a standard die, its probability is 0. If it's certain to happen, like getting a number between 1 and 6 when rolling that die, its probability is 1. Now, let's break down a few key terms related to probability. An experiment is any activity that leads to a result, like tossing a coin or rolling a die. In a random experiment, we can't predict the outcome, such as getting heads or tails on a coin toss. The result of an experiment is called an outcome. For example, rolling a die could yield any number from 1 to 6. The set of all possible outcomes is the sample space. An event is a collection of some outcomes. For instance, getting a 4 when rolling a die is an event, while a complementary event refers to all outcomes that are not part of the initial event. Let's look at tossing a coin. With one coin, there are two outcomes, heads, H, or tails, T. Toss two coins, and the outcomes expand to HH, HT, TH, and TT. When rolling a six-sided die, you'll have 6 possible outcomes, one for each face. Now, let's end with a question. If you roll a die, what's the probability of getting at least a 3? Let me know in the comments below. The complete curriculum for Class 10 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.